Good morning, my dear student. Welcome you in online class of Bal Sadhana Group of Institutions. Myself, Parveen Chaudhary, TGT Social Science in Bal Sadhana Public School. Yesterday we discussed about yesterday we discussed about Mahajanpad, Janpad, Indus Valley Civilization, Indus Valley Civilization, and Janpad of Rajasthan. So today, now we will discuss and Mauryan, learn about Mauryan dynasty. So let's start our topic, and this is going most important topic for your examinations and your knowledge. So let's start our topic. First, Mauryan dynasty. Mauryan dynasty. Where this dynasty ruled, where we yesterday we studied about Mahajanpad, and one of Mahajanpad was Magad. Magad Mahajanpad is most monarchs Mahajanpad, where the king or queen rule. So Mauryan dynasty rule upon Magad. Mauryan dynasty. About Mauryan dynasty, some of origin about of Mauryan dynasty, origin of Mauryan dynasty. Some scholars think that Mauryan dynasty belongs to Shudra. Some scholar thinks they are Vaishya. They were Vaishya, and some think they were Kshatriya. And some scholars think that they have own tribe with Mauryan tribe. So different scholars has had different things, and in the Puran describe them as Shudra. Second things we see the Puran describe them as Shudra. In previous chapter, previous topic, I told you about Varnashram, Varnashram system. Varnashram system. where four castes. First, Brahmin. Second, Kshatriya. Third, Vaisya. And fourth, Shudra. So Mauryan dynasty or Mauryan rulers belongs to Shudra. Some scholars think they are Shudra, they are Vaisya, they are Kshatriya, and some scholars think Mauryan tribe. They have Avan tribe. But in the Puran describe them as a Shudra. Same as next जो नेक्स्ट स्कॉलर्स विशाखा दत्त uses the term about Mauryan in his book Mudraksha as Virsal, a low clan. So we can say that Mauryans belongs to a lower clan, or they are belongs to Shudra Varna. And one of evidence, indirect evidence, we found from Junagadh Rock Edict. Fourth evidence, indirect evidence found from Junagadh Rock Edict. This rock edict or inscriptions written by Rudra Daman in 150 AD, where the Junagadh rock inscriptions of Rudradaman has some indirect evidence and suggest Mauryan might have been Vaisya clan. So we can say that Mauryans belong Mauryan tribe or Shudra tribe or Vaisya tribes. So alag means different scholars have different ideas. So we are come on our topic, Mauryan dynasty. So Mauryan dynasty ruled on Magad from 324 BC to 187 BC, and different Mauryan rulers rule upon Magad Empire. So first ruler The founders, we can say the founder or the first ruler of Mauryan dynasty was Chandragupta. So Chandragupta was the founder of Mauryan empire, and we will discuss about most important Mauryan rulers and later Mauryan rulers. First Chandragupta Mauryan. First Chandragupta Mauryan. Then all discuss about Bindusar, and then all discuss about Ashoka, and then all discuss about later Mauryan rulers. So first ruler of Mauryan empire was Chandragupta. Chandragupta was the first and the founder of the Mauryan empire. First topic discuss about, first we are discuss about Mauryan ruler, first Mauryan ruler Chandragupta. Chandragupta ruled from 322 BC to 273 BC. He was one of the greatest king ever Indian history. Chandragupta, before the arrival of Chandragupta, Magad ruled by Nanda dynasty, and the king of Nanda dynasty was Dhananand. And when Chandragupta come, he dethroned the last Nand ruler Dhananand and occupied the Patliputra, or we say that he occupied or captured Patliputra in 322 BC with the help of his guru or teacher named Kautilya. We know him as Chanakya. His pen name of Kautilya was Vishnu Gupta. Was the pen name of Kautilya. In 305 BC, Chandragupta Maurya defeated Seleucus Nicator. Seleucus Nicator, and Seleucus Nicator surrounded a vast territories to Chandragupta Maurya, including the area of Kabul, Herat, Baluchistan, Punjab, Ganga Yamuna plain, Bihar, Bengal, Gujarat, and part of Kashmir and Vindhya. In return, Seleucus received 500 war elephants. Seleucus got his daughter Helena, name of Seleucus' daughter Helena, married to Chandragupta Maurya on the basis of matrimonial alliances. He received most of the part of Seleucus Nicator Empire, and Seleucus Nicator sent a ambassador named Megasthenes. As ambassador in Chandragupta court. Megasthenes was a Greek philosopher. Was a Greek philosopher. So Chandragupta become, in the last stage of Chandragupta become a Jain and went to Chandagiri hills, Swarn Belgola. This place is situated in Karnataka state with Bhadrabahu, where he died by slow starvation. Or we can say by fasting. He died in 273 BC. Under Chandragupta Maurya, for the first time, the whole northern India was united. Under the Chandragupta Maurya, for the first time, the whole northern India was united. We can say he united northern India. He united northern India. He was the first ruler to unite northern India. In his time, trade was flourished, agriculture regulated, weight and measures were standardized, and money come to use. Before Chandragupta, we know about barter system, goods exchange by goods. So in his time, money come into use, and taxations, sanitations, famine reliefs become the concern of the states. So you understand that Mauryan dynasties belongs to Shudra or Mauryan tribe, and this dynasty rule upon Magad. Four important ruler of this dynasty was first Chandragupta Maurya, second Bindusar, and third Ashok, and later Mauryan rulers. Now next ruler of Mauryan dynasty was Bindusara. He ruled on Magad from 298 BC to 273 BC. Chandragupta Maurya was succeeded by his son Bindusar. Means Bindusar was the son of Chandragupta Maurya. Bindusar known to the Greek as Amitrochets. Amitrochets words derived from the Sanskrit word Amitraghat. In according to Bindusar, known to the Greek as Amitrochets, and Amitrochets words derived from the Sanskrit word Amitraghat, same as Amitra in Vayupuran. In Vayupuran, he called Bhadrasara. And in Jain text, he known as Simsehna. Bindusara asked Antiochus, the ruler of Syria, to send some sweet wine or dried. Antiochus first is the ruler of Syria. Bindusara asked Antiochus first to send some sweet wine. Wine, we all know, liquor, and dried figs. Dried figs as a fruit. And a sophist. Sophist is a Greek philosopher. But Antiochus agreed to send the sweet wine, dried figs, but he denied to send or sell Greek philosopher. He thinks the Greek philosophers not to be sell. So on the request of Bindusara, later Antiochus first appointed Dimachus. As ambassadors to his court. In Bindusara court, Antiochus appointed Dimachus as ambassador in Bindusara court. So in this chapter and topic Bindusara, and he died in 298 BC. He ruled approximately 25 years. Next topic is Ashoka the Great. He ruled approximately 41 years from 273 BC to 232 BC. अशोका entitled as Devanampriya and Devanampriyadarshi in Maski and Gurjara inscriptions. His name was Ashoka. Ashoka name according to Maski and Gurjara inscriptions. And he entitled Ashoka entitled as Devanampriya and Devanampriyadarshi. He marries to princess of Vidisha. Ashok marries to a princess of Vidisha. Kaurvaki, and he has one son Mahendra and daughter Sanghmitra. Later he sent both of them as preachers to Ceylon. Ceylon, the present name Sri Lanka. It appears from the available evidence. It appears from the available evidence Buddhist literature that there was a struggle for the throne among the princes on the death of Bindusar. After the death of Bindusar, the son Bindusar, the son of Chandragupta, it appears from the available evidence Buddhist literature that there was a struggle for the throne among the princes on the death of Bindusara. According to Buddhist text, Ashok sit on the throne after killing his 99 brothers. After killing his 99 brothers, leave left a brother's name Tis. This war of successions account for throne 4 years. This war of successions run around 4 years from 273 BC to 269 BC. After the defeated his old brother, Ashoka had himself formally crowned in 269 BC, and the Ashok sit on the throne of Magad in 260 69 BC after killing his 99 brothers. Under the Ashoka, the Mauryan Empire reached its climax for the first time. The whole of the subcontinent, leaving out of the extreme south, was under his imperial period. And now he made 14 major rock edict. First edict he describe about prohibitions of animal and sacrifice and festive Ashokan 14 major rock edict. In first rock edict, he described about prohibitions of animal sacrifice and festive gathering. Second rock edict, measures of social welfare. Third, respect of Brahmins. Third, court says to relatives, means to kindful relatives, elders, consideration for animals. In fifth rock edicts, he described appointment of Dham Mahamatre and their duties. Sixth, need of efficient organization of administration. Seventh, duties of Mahamatre or officers in the administrations. Eighth, system of Dham Yatra. Ninth rock edict, in the ninth rock edict, attack on meaningless ceremonies and rituals. And 10th rock edict, he describes conscript through Dham instead of war. This described after the killing war. Explanation of Dham policy. And 12th rock edict, appeal for tolerance among all the religious sects. This is most important. And today this line added in our constitution. In 13 rock edict, Kalinga war. In 14 rock edict, inspiration to spend religious life. Ashok. Now about Kalinga war. Kalinga war. Ashok fought the Kalinga war in 261 BC in 9th year of his coronation. The king was moved by the massacre in this war and therefore abandoned the policy of physical occupation in favor of policy of cultural constant. Means Ashok decided he give up war and adopt the policy of Dham. At the time of Bar, Nandraj was the ruler of Kalinga. When Ashok attacked on Kalinga, at the time of attack, the ruler of Kalinga was Nandraj. In this war, approx 1 lakh people were died. Under the influence of Sarman, Nigrodh and Upgupta, Ashok was initiated into Buddhism and adopted Dham Vijay in the place of Digvijay. According to Kalhan, the writer of Rajat Ragni, before converting the Buddhism, Ashok was a worshipper of Lord Shiva. Later, He come under the influence Mogliputra Tis, and he constructed 4 caves residence for the Ajivikas. First in Barbar Hills, name his cave's name Sudama. Second cave's name Chapar. Third cave's name Vishwajopdi, and fourth Karan. Most of Ashoka's inscriptions are in the Brahmi script, whereas inscriptions found from the northwest are in the Khroshti. And first persons to read the Brahmi and Khroshti script of Ashok was James Prinsep. Now next point is Dham, the idol that granted by Ashok to the moral advancement of human being were called Dham, means to develop moral value in human being. Ashok initiate the Dham. Ashok Dham has been defined in the 2nd and 7th pillar. According to Dham, freedom from sin, world welfare, mercy toward all, kind, faithful toward all, charity, truth, non-voice, and the things required of his dhams to become the member of dham are having the nature of sex, being free of sin, having gentle natures, doing charity, not hurting living beings, respecting one's parents, elders, and teachers. Ashok also expressed his faith in the three Ratan, namely Buddha, Dham, and Sangh. Ashok held that if people behaved well, they would attain heaven. Ashok believed that people behaved well, they would attain heaven. Next, Dham Yatra. Before Ashok, Vihar Yatra were undertakings where animals were hunted by king. Vihar Yatra, which is primarily hunting trip. In the place of Vihar Yatra, Ashok started Dham Yatra. In its place, Ashok provided Dham Yatra, where pilgrimage to Buddhist place were undertaken and gold was donated to poor Sarman, Brahmins, and elderly peoples. Next, Anusandhan. Anusandhan means research. The officer of the Mauryan kingdoms were sent for Dham Prachar. Every 5th year, it was called as Anusandhan. After ruling for 40 years, Ashok died in 232 BC. Now we come on the topic of later Mauryan rulers. The Mauryan dynasty lasted 147 years. Total Mauryan rulers ruled on Magad approximately 147 years. Ashok's death was followed by the division of the Mauryan Empire into two parts. First, western part, and second, eastern part. Western part comes to be ruled by Kunal, and eastern part comes to be ruled by Dashrath. Last Mauryan ruler was Baidrath. Who is the last ruler of the Mauryan dynasty? Baidrath. He was assassinated in 185 by his commander-in-chief Pushyamitra Sung, and who established his Awan Sung dynasty. What is the reason of decline of Mauryan Empire? First, highly centralized administrations. Second, pacific policy of Ashoka's. Brahminical reactions. The partition of Mauryan Empire. Weak later Mauryan rulers. Pressure on the Mauryan economy and neglect of the northwest frontier. So I hope all of you understand about Chandragupta Maurya, about Bindusar, about Ashok, and Dham of Ashok, Anusandhan and Dham Yatra. So if any doubt, please comment or inbox. Thanks. Have a nice day.